Hi, Year 4. Today we're doing a bit of grammar in our spelling lesson, and that is to continue to consolidate and understand how we punctuate dialogue. So, what I'm looking for is you can find dialogue in a book and identify how it has been punctuated, and you can correctly punctuate given dialogue and fix up the errors that are in it. So, let's revise how we punctuate speech. So, if we were punctuating this speech here between Josh and Matthew, we would say, I'm really struggling to walk, explained Josh. You can see here they have color-coded the inverted commas and the punctuation. It's a bit better. So the inverted commas are at the start. I'm really struggling to walk. Then it's got the comma as part of the punctuation. The punctuation goes inside of the inverted commas. And then it's got the reporting clause, so explain Josh, and then a full stop at the end of the sentence, like so. So there are two places where inverted commas are needed when we write direct speech. We have them at the start and at the end of the speech. You need to open them with commas that look like this, like the 66. So they go that way. We're drawing them really little though. We don't actually do the loops like in a 6 before which word is being spoken. And then you close it with commas, inverted commas that look like that after the word which is being spoken. So imagine that the inverted commas are like the hands that only hold the words that are being spoken. And the hands also hold the punctuation as well. Delete that. So there are two places where other forms of punctuated are needed when we write speech. So we need to end the speaking with either a comma, so you can see here there's a comma, a question mark if it's a question, or an exclamation mark if it's an exclamation. We also need a full stop after the reporting clause. For example, how exciting! The exclamation mark is inside the inverted commas, exclaimed Sarah, and then there's a full stop at the end of the reporting clause. Is your favourite drink lemonade? There's a question mark and then a full stop at the end of the reporting clause, inquired Chad. I don't know what to do. There's a comma, said Saeed, and then there's a full stop at the end of the reporting clause. Accompanying this speech with a reporting clause gives a little bit of information about who it is speaking and how it is said. We've talked about this in writing where we can have those adverbial phrases. So I'm really struggling to walk, explain Josh. So this, in this case, Josh is speaking. If Josh said it in a different way, we could change explain to claimed, disclosed, whispered, or cried. So it can give us information about how the character is speaking. Here are some examples of speech that has been correctly punctuated. In this case, the reporting clause is before the speech. The conductor bellowed. We need a comma and then open talking mark, sit down, exclamation mark, close talking mark. We don't need a full stop because the exclamation mark acts as a full stop. Can I have ketchup with my chips? Asked Gina. The referee blew a whistle and shouted. So the reporting clause is at the start. So we put a comma and the talking is always in a capital letter. Time's up. There's an exclamation mark. Please stop annoying me, pleaded Waldeck. It's all the money I have left. You can see the comma is inside the closed talking mark. Explain Mary, and then there's a full stop. Benjamin yelled, comma, over here. So you can see when the reporting clause is at the start of the speech that there is a comma instead of a full stop. So your task today is you're going to read a narrative text from either your own library or from Epic. You're going to find 5 different examples of speech and copy it into your books. I want you to write the punctuation in a different colour and underline the capital letter at the start of the dialogue. And then your second task is in your OneNote, fix up the punctuation around the given dialogue by rewriting the sentence on the line underneath. I I've done an example. So your first thing will be is to find some speech. I've done 3 examples. You can see that I've done my punctuation in red, and I've underlined the capital letter at the start as well. Then your task in your OneNote looks a bit like this. You will have a series of sentences, and you need to circle the incorrect part and then rewrite it correctly. So I've done the example there. I've circled the incorrect part. You can see here that the comma is outside the talking marks. That's incorrect. And they've used the talking mark instead of an apostrophe for the ownership. So that is your spelling/grammar task today. If you like, you can find your speech in OneNote and just type it out in there instead of taking